me, Mario! I'm cold!
Luigi, get out!
I can't, Mario, I'm stuck.
Luigi, how do you even do this?
I don't know, Mario. I'm cold.
Come here, Luigi. We
Help,
can
Mario!
snuggle to keep warm.
Don't leave me in here with him.
Dang it. This makes me so mad.
Release me!
Luigi.
I'm not your little plaything, Mario.
Nuh-uh.
What are you talking about up there? Open the door, please. I'm so cold. I am the genie of the fridge. What do you want?
Huh.
You got 3 wishes. That's the light switch, you gabagool. Come on, you got 3 wishes. That it? Taco. Wish is granted. What is your second wish?
Luigi.
Alright, your
Luigi.
wish is granted.
Luigi.
What is your third wish?
Luigi.
Your third wish is granted.
Luigi! Shh, shh. I think the power went out, Luigi.
Oh no, Mario. I'm dying.